Dear students, welcome to the 7th session in our initiation. This week, you are going to learn about making and responding an appointment as well as giving explanation in English. You can find this week's topic in Module 8 and 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of this week, you are expected to be able to identify the expression used to make or respond an appointment or explanation or negotiation and draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 7. Don't forget to do the assignment 3. Thank you, keep spirit, and good luck.